Tortillas are a flatbread from Southern America, often eaten with chili and salsa. To make tortillas, we need 8 ounces flour, 3/4 of a teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons vegetable oil, and about 1/4 of a pint warm water. First, we sift the flour together with the baking powder into the mixing bowl. Now we add the salt and the vegetable oil. Now I'm rubbing the vegetable oil into the flour. I'm bringing up the pieces of oil and flour up in between my fingers. I'm rubbing them till they go smooth. I'm going to keep on doing this until all the oil is rubbed in and the mixture looks a little like fine breadcrumbs. This won't take very long. Okay, this is looking pretty good now. Now I'm going to add the water, a little at a time, because if it's too wet, you'll have to add lots of flour. I'm gradually incorporating the dry flour into the wet dough. This dough is a little sticky, so I'm adding just that much more flour, just sprinkling it over and turning the dough in the flour. Okay, that seems good. Pressing it in between my hands to feel how sticky it is. It's good. Now I'm going to knead it lightly for a few minutes, just like that. This is one of the ways of kneading, where you press the dough with this part of your hand to stretch it, and then you fold it back over on itself, and carry on kneading it, and then repeat it again. Now I have kneaded the dough for about 3 or 4 minutes. You can see the dough is elastic and smooth, but not sticky. Now I'm putting the dough back in the mixing bowl, covering it with a clean cloth, and I'm going to leave it for 1/4 of an hour. I've left the dough 50 minutes. Now I'm going to make it into tortillas. First of all, I'm dividing the dough into 12 balls. Now sprinkling a handful of flour onto this metal tray. I'm rolling the dough into a ball, pressing it into a flat disc, just using my fingers and thumbs, making sure both sides of the tortilla are covered with flour. And now I'm rolling it out into a circle. It doesn't have to be completely circular. If it starts to stick, turn the tortilla over onto the floured side, and this will stop the rolling pin from sticking to the dough. It shouldn't be too thin. Okay. So I've heated up a cast iron frying pan, and I haven't put any oil on it because you don't with tortillas, and it's smoking, and that means the pan's ready. I'm turning the pan down a little as this oven has a very strong gas. I'm just dropping it on, just from above, straight down, and then it should land smoothly. Now, as I cook, little bubbles will start to appear on the surface, and that means it's starting to cook underneath. Can you see? That's the bubble there, and there, and there, and there, and there, and there. Okay, I'll just have a peek underneath to see what's happening. It should be lightly brown underneath. Have spots of brown on it, rather. But the first tortilla will take longer than the others because the pan isn't so hot. So I'll flip it just like that. That's good. There are more black spots than brown, but that's fine too. Just press it a little. So I fried it for about a minute and a half on one side. Now I'm going to fry it a little bit more, maybe less than a minute at any rate, and then the second side. I'll flip it back, have a look. Okay, so you can see the brown spots on this side too. We get this one, don't we? That's cooked. So the tortillas are all cooked, and they are stacked on top of each other, which helps to keep them moist and stop them from drying out. And I'm going to eat them straight away, hot while they're still hot. Thank you very much for watching my video.